11 students, how today I'm going to discuss three column cash book. Three column cash book. I'm going to discuss problem and solutions. Okay, this is problem number 1, class 11. Already I made 6 video on this chapter. Today I'm going to make video number 7. If you have not seen my previous video, then you will face lots of problem while understanding this chapter. Okay, this is most important chapter of your class, cash book. Why the name of this chapter? Cash book. Okay. Single column, double column already I have discussed it in the previous video, and in this video you will understand triple column cash book. Try to understand. Already I have discussed regarding the format. How will you draw the format of cash book? In my previous video already I have discussed it. Okay, and in this video you will understand about the format as well as problem and solutions. Okay, try to understand the concept at first. This is a date. Here you will write the date 2000. Suppose I think you are unable to see it. I'm going to enlarge it. Try to understand the concept. Okay, in top you will write cash book, triple column. Okay, here you will write date 2018 March 1. Here you will write particulars. Okay, here you will LF ledger folio, and here this is debit side. So here you will write discount allowed. This is cash and this is bank. Again here you will write date. Okay, 2018 March 1, particular, LF. Okay, discounts received. Okay, and cash and bank. How will you do it? I am going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept at first. How will you do? At first, here you will write. Here you will write. Try to understand. Date. Which question I am going to discuss? This question. Try to understand this question. Okay. So write a 3 column cash book with cash, bank and discount column from the following transaction. First is given March 1, cash in hand. So here cash in hand is given. So cash in hand is given. Then here you will write, if cash in hand is given, then here you will write here. Try to understand what will you write. If cash in hand is given, try to understand it. (2018) to balance BD. How much given? 15,000. So here you write 15,000. Cash in hand 15,000 is given. So here you write 15,000. And second is what? Second is given March 3, purchase goods for cash. So what is the entry? Purchase account debit to cash. In cash book you will not write to cash, buy purchase. So 2018 day 3, buy purchase 6,000. Okay, so here you will write 3. You will write in credit side (2018 day 3), buy purchase account. This is cash 6,000. Okay, cash 6,000. And next is given deposited in bank. So bank account debit to cash. So date 5, buy bank 5,000. In buy bank, here you will write buy bank day 5, buy bank. In the bank is given, so here you will write in bank column. Sorry, divided in bank. So bank account debit bank account debit to cash. The bank, what is the entry? Try to understand the entry of it. Debited cash into bank. Try to understand the concept at first. Debited cash into bank. So bank account debit, bank account debit, bank account debit, okay, to cash. Okay, the bank account debit to cash. If bank and cash is given, then this is contra entry. If contra entry will be given, then you will write C. C means what? This is contra entry. It means what? You will pass the entry of bank as well as cash. In bank side, you will write amount in bank side you will write the amount in cash, and in cash side you will write the amount in bank. This is the system. Try to understand it. So here you will write yes. So by bank, day 5, by bank, this is contra. See here you will write, and cash side you will write 5,000. Okay, and debited cash into bank, and to cash March 5 to cash. Okay, to cash in bank column you will write 5,000, and here you will write contra. Okay, here you will write contra. Clear? And next entry. Oh, okay. If I will discuss more questions, then video is going to be large. Okay, then I'm going to stop this video, and in next video I will discuss more problem of this questions. Okay, so, and after that you know very well how to close it, you know very well. Okay, and how to balancing the figure, you know very well. Already I have discussed in my previous video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.